Alright fellas, I'm coming to the end of my recovering. I'm just getting done purging my system. Well, purging the recovery machine of any refrigerant that may remain in it. So now I'm about to close it off. Switch back to recovery mode. Close off this. Now at the end, my final weight was 7.71 pounds. And now one thing guys, new guys, I'm new myself, I've only been doing this for 3 years. Now, one thing to look for when you're recovering refrigerant is to check your pressures at the end. If your system rises, that means, like right now, my gauges are reading 0, slightly in a vacuum. Now, if it was to rise, that would mean I still have refrigerant left inside of the system itself. But then, in turn, all you have to do is turn back on your recovery machine, open back up the cylinder to remove that remaining refrigerant. And that's pretty much it when it comes to recovering freon from a system, or recovering refrigerant from a system, whether you're working with 410, R22, whatever type of refrigerant you're working with. I mainly work with 410 and R22s. Haven't done it in 134As or 404 or anything like of that nature of recovering, but I'm pretty sure it's the exact same way. So now it's about time to remove this compressor. Alright fellas, I'll be back.